Okay students, now we'll talk about why rolling friction is less than sliding friction. Previously we have said that rolling friction is much lesser than sliding friction. Now we will see that why is it so. Okay? So the answer is rolling friction is less than sliding friction because there is no work done against the body that is rolling by the force of friction. Hence, the coefficient of rolling friction is less than the sliding friction. So the answer for this question is that there is no work done against the body that is rolling by the force of friction. So what happens is, for example, in our house, we have seen that. For example, I'm taking an example of, we say it as computer trolley. So what happens is, there are always wheels present at the bottom. Why is it so? Because it makes us easy to shift or move that trolley here and there easily. The reason is because sliding friction is greater and rolling friction is lesser. Hence, rolling friction is less than sliding friction. So it makes us easy to move that trolley, and the reason is because there is no work done against the body. Okay, so this is the reason why rolling friction is less than sliding friction. Now there are several methods to reduce friction. At times it happens that we have to reduce friction in order to make a machine work properly. So these are the methods. So following are the different methods that are used for reducing the friction. First is by polishing the surface, as polishing makes the surface smooth and friction can be reduced. For example, if you have to reduce friction, what we can do, we can polish the surface. So polish the surface makes the surface smooth, hence the friction can be reduced. Okay. Another method could be using lubricants such as oil or grease can reduce the friction between the surfaces. So this method is used in machines where we use lubricants such as oil or grease. So here is a diagram. Here you can see that this machine is being oiled, or you are putting grease on it. So it helps to reduce friction, hence make the machine work more properly. There are some more methods. When objects are rolled over the surface, the friction between the rolled object and the surface can be reduced by using ball bearings. Okay, so there are ball bearings which is being used in rolling objects. So ball bearings is another method to reduce friction. And in the last, for objects that move in fluids such as boats, planes, cars, etc., the shape of the body is streamlined. Okay, what does this word streamline means? Streamline means कि आप उस object को आगे से पतला कर देते हैं. Okay, so why do we do it? In order to reduce the friction between the body of the objects as the fluid. Okay, so here is a figure. This is a sports car. Okay, and you can see that the front part of it is being streamlined. Why is it so? Because this streamlined objects helps to reduce friction, hence it makes that object moves easily. Okay, so these are the methods to reduce friction. So this is it for this lecture video. Hope you have understood this lecture. We'll meet you very soon in our next lecture video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.